It's an honor to have a night like this. Maraming salamat din dahil pumunta kayo.
Ano ka mag-English?
Sandali lang, nakakaupo sa akin.
English
Eh kasi naman, sa call center naman kasi alam mo yung sasabihin mo.
Tama.
Ito, spontaneous na to eh.
Ano daw? Ano ba yun?
Yan. First of yeah, I'd like to thank everyone for coming tonight. I really appreciate that. I'm very honored and blessed to have
Kung kinabisado kanina pa, kinabisado to. Kinabisado niya yan. Kaya pala kanina gumaganon.
I'm very grateful that everyone is here, and I hope that Camille will gonna join me that
Kami
later.
talaga eh, kami talaga.
Yeah. Kaya siya na lang atang tulang dito. Yan.
Wala sa buhay mo.
So, nice to see all of you here. Yeah.
Major.
Yeah, pwede mo Tagalog na lang. Yun, so, ayun, sandali lang, text. May pasa